Ooh, look what we have here. Cranberry and carrot muffins. They're so delicious. And I'm going to show you how I make it, but make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. So here we go. In this bowl, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of salt, a tablespoon of baking powder, and 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice. Now I'm going to take my dry ingredients and I'm going to use this whisk to blend them together. And we're blending. Alrighty then. Next, we're going to take a large bowl and we're going to add 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 large eggs, a half cup of milk, and 4 tablespoons, vanilla. That was 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I like to get every drop because vanilla is expensive. And 4 tablespoons of butter and a 1/4 cup of oil. That's vegetable oil. I like to get every drop out of there. Now, we're going to blend these up. Alright, now we're going to add our dry ingredients into the liquid and we're going to blend those together. Now you don't want to overmix your batter or you'll get tunnels in your muffins. Alright, as a matter of fact, you're going to see there's some of the flour is not quite mixed in yet. But it will finish mixing in once I fold in the fruit and vegetable. Alright, so we have 3/4 cup of shredded carrots and 1 cup of cranberries. Alright, now we're going to fold these into the batter. And you'll see that there's still a little bit of flour, but it'll blend in there. See that? But it's going to blend. Whenever you do a quick bread, you want to do exactly what the name says, quick. That makes it the most tender and better crumb. Alright, so that just took about 30 seconds to do, maybe a little more. Not quite a minute though. Alright, so next we're going to put them into the muffin cups. Now as you can see, I put the liners in there before I started mixing because the quicker you get your batter into the oven, the better. It makes for a better texture. So I used a 1/4 measuring cup, and the shape of my cup really helped because it's tapered at the end. But you could also use a large spoon, or some people even use like a small ice cream scoop. Alright, so there we have it. Now we're going to put it in a 350-degree oven for 25 minutes. And there they are. Don't they look delicious? I let them cool for about 10 minutes or so before I tried one. So there we go. I'm going to try my recipe, and this is an original recipe. So, go. It looks so good, y'all. Alright, now look at the crumb here. Doesn't that look beautiful? Beautiful crumb. The colors are amazing on this. Look at that. Oh man, and I'm going to tell you, the taste is so good. Alright, well, thank you for stopping by Chef Carter's Cooking Corner. Remember to like, subscribe, share. Stick around and watch more videos. Alright, and as always, be safe out there. Take care, everyone.